we're going to be unboxing the Serger Professional 5. This is a 2-in-1 sewing machine. It's a cover stitch and also a serger. Ours came with 6 bonus feet. We'll provide a link in the description so you can go and get the same deal. If you're looking at making a lot of stretchy knitwear or just upping the quality of any of your products, I definitely recommend this machine. There are a ton of awesome features packed in the sewing machine that'll bring your sewing projects to the next level. So here's a first look in the package. First off, we got a little kit with some accessories, and we'll get into that a little bit later. Next here we got a waist tray. This is super handy for when you're serging. Then you got your power supply and pedal. Then you got your knife cover, also used for when you're serging. Then you got your thread guide, pretty standard, holds 5 different threads. Off to the side here is your cover for the machine, and then also your 6 bonus feet. And not all of them come with the 6 bonus feet, so definitely check that link out in the description. Pulling off the styrofoam top casing, underneath you have your sewing machine. Inside you also have an instruction book and a DVD. And this is the main unit. It also comes pre-threaded, so that's pretty convenient. They just leave the threads cut at the top, so all you have to do is tie your new thread on and you're ready to start sewing. On the front has a nice guide showing you all the different stitches. And there you can see it's pre-threaded and tested, making sure it's timed right off the bat. Then opening up the looper cover, the seam guide plate is very easy to take out in exchange for the knife cover. The waist tray is also very easy to use. It just slides into little snaps on the bottom, and there you have it. You can take it on and off, very easy. Again, it does come pre-threaded, but it is also very easy to thread this because it has guides on the inside of the looper cover. Now we're going to take a quick look at what comes inside the accessory box. First you have needles, 5 thread unwinder spool caps, oil, a screwdriver, an extra knife, tweezers, 5 anti-spill nets, and a small Allen to replace your needles. And here's a quick look at the bonus feet in this kit. You have a bead, elastic, cording, taping, blind hem, and a shearing foot. Then here's a quick test with a 3-needle cover stitch. Here's the top, very nice, no skips. Also the same with the bottom, super nice, and you can also adjust the lengths of the stitch, very easy. And here's another look at the display on the side that shows you all the different stitches, super easy to follow and very easy to change. Here's a quick look at how to change it into a serger. All you have to do is loosen up the knife and flip it towards the upward position. Go ahead and tighten that down. Then you'll want to raise the handle on the spreader to insert the tip into the upper looper. And then from there, take a look in your instruction manual for your desired stitch. And then I recommend looking in the instruction manual. It's very easy to follow and it shows you every single stitch in step-by-step process. It shows you how to thread it and how many needles to use. And this was our quick unboxing and testing of this machine. If you'd like to see more videos on this machine, please let us know. We'll do videos on the different feet or different stitches, whatever you want us to do, let us know. We're not going to get all into it because, like I said, this machine packs a lot of features and it's hard to get through in one video. And we do plan on using the sewing machine for more up and coming videos like swimsuits, knitwear. So be sure to like, subscribe, comment, come back, check us out, and thank you so much for watching.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.